everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing my Gemini Jets 1 to 400th releases for March of 2021. These are, of course, the very exciting releases that came out last month, and there should be 2 of them in here, and then another one is still on the way, but I'm just going to go ahead and unbox these 2 today. You can kind of see these are pre-orders because they are packaged in Gemini Jets boxes that they use, because you can already see what one of them is on the front there. But without any further ado, we're going to go ahead and get straight into it and open these guys up. Alright, box is opened. It is a massive box for only 2 models. This is a box that you could easily fit like 6 models in here, and there's a ton of paper, so I'm trying to get this in frame, and there it is, everyone. Gemini Jets 1 to 400th, Delta Connection, Bombardier CRJ-900. I cannot believe I am actually holding one of these. That is insane. We're going to save that one for last, put that off to the side, and go ahead and get the other model out of here. These are very well packaged. Let's get that box out of the way. And the other model is our Frontier Airlines Airbus A321 in the Steve the Eagle livery. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and open this first one up. Don't see any problems with it right here. And it looks good. It's a pretty nice model, other than, of course, those massive engines. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and open them both right now, and then go over them one by one. And now the really exciting one. It's our Delta CRJ-900. There it is. Wow, that is crazy. Alright, everyone, let's go ahead and take a closer look at both of these aircraft. Alright, and starting right here, sorry guys, with our Frontier Airbus A321. My hands are a bit shaky today, so I'm sorry about that. But as you can see, starting right here, we have the cockpit windows, a bit oddly shaped nose. Then we have the L1 door, the front landing gear, that awesome kind of arrow style thing, those beautiful Frontier titles on the L2 door. Then we have the wings with the winglets, which are looking very nice, as well as the engines, which are a bit big, but they aren't that bad. And then the landing gear, which are flawless. The L3 door, the kind of end of that arrow, the flyfrontier.com, and then the registration, which is November 709 Foxtrot Romeo with the American flag there. Then we have the L4 door with the antennas up there, and then finally that beautiful Steve the Eagle right there. Very nice model. I'm very happy with this. It's great to finally have a Frontier aircraft in my fleet. So there it goes, focusing. This is a very nice aircraft, and I'm really happy to have this. And now moving on to the kind of big aircraft here is our Delta CRJ-900. So starting right here, we have the cockpit windows, the front landing gear looking flawless, as well as on the flap there we have the CRJ-900 titles, pretty cool. The L1 door there, then we have the Delta Connection titles, and moving over to cargo doors there. And then we have the overwing exits, as well as the wing, which is looking very nice, and then the winglet, which is a bit bigger than the 700s, and then we have the American flag followed by the registration, which is November 821 Sierra Kilo. Then we have the third cargo door, as well as those beautiful large engines looking very nice, and then these little like flap things right here. I honestly don't know what like right there. I'm not really sure what these are for, but they don't have them on the 700s or 200s. They're just on the 900s. It's got to be something to help with balance, but in any case, those do exist. And then we have the beautiful Delta tail with slightly angled up horizontal stabilizers, but it's not really that bad. Now we have to move on to the big thing with this aircraft, and really the only major issue. If you cannot see that, yes, this does have the same issue as the Air Canada CRJ-900, which is the landing gear being much too close together. I knew this was I knew this was coming because I've seen a few unboxings of this aircraft already. So I'm pretty disappointed about that. But these do actually roll, which is insane. I don't think they make any other model this small with rolling landing gear, which is absolutely crazy. But I really wish they were closer together. I'm gonna have to think about it. I might try and repair that. I know that I've seen some people repairing theirs and it coming out nicely, but that really sucks that it's like that. But I just don't want to mess up this model because I cannot get another one of these. This is the only one I'm ever going to be able to get. These are already going for like 150 bucks on eBay, which is absolutely insane. It just came out a month ago. But in any case, other than the landing gear, that is an absolutely incredible model, and I honestly don't even care that much. I'm just happy to finally have one of these. So anyway, everyone, that does conclude our unboxing for today. If you did enjoy, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and if you have time, leave a comment down below telling me your thoughts on these models. I think they're pretty nice. Each one of them does have at least one little flaw, but overall, they're both relatively good models, and two of them I'm really happy to have in my collection. As well as that, you may be asking where's the United CRJ-200. That will be coming probably next week, but I got these two now, so that one should be, I'll be unboxing that one in about a week, so expect that to come soon. But for now, got these two. I'm very happy. These are very nice, other than there are one or two defects, but overall, not that bad. But yeah, everyone, I hope you all do have an absolutely incredible rest of your day, and I will see you later. Bye.